Hold up. This one's important, folks. Hey, it's Dana from MacMedics again. Apple dropped macOS Sequoia and iOS 18 today, and everybody's going to be super anxious to get it on their phone or their Mac to enjoy the new features. The Apple Intelligence stuff is not there yet. It's going to be coming later. But before you do the upgrade, if you're in the middle of a project or a deadline, hold up, don't run the update. And if you are able to do it because you're not under deadline, make sure you're totally backed up before you pull the trigger. On an iPhone, just make sure you're fully backed up to iCloud Backup, where you pay for storage from Apple, or you can plug it into your Mac and run a manual backup. And on your Mac, you want to run Time Machine. It's free. All you need is an external hard drive. If you need help with either, just stop by the shop or give us a call. But don't run the updates until you have a backup. I get to see people lose their data every day. This is one of the most common ways I see people mess up. So back up first, then upgrade.